after a 4-hour-long hearing, the Delhi High Court has now temporarily stayed the release of the film Udaipur Files. Now, Kanhaiya Lal Taylor murder, which was scheduled to premiere tomorrow. Now, the court directed the petitioners to first approach the central government within 2 days and file a revision application against the CBFC certification. And the court made it clear that since the petitioners have been asked to seek a revisional remedy, they cannot seek judicial intervention until the centre decides on the plea for interim relief. Now, the stay will remain in place until the centre takes a decision on that application. And the petitioners in the case were also accused in the 2022 murder of Taylor. Kanhaiya Lal claimed that the film promotes hate against a community and also could incite communal tension and further threatens their right to a fair trial. Now, the CBFC told the court that the film had already undergone 55 cuts as instructed by the body. And the High Court in the case has also directed the centre to decide on the revision plea within 7 days. Now, until then, the film's release remains on hold.
सर, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, एक बार अभी हम आदेश पूरा देख लें, एक बार पूरा आदेश देखने के बाद हम किसी नतीजे पे पहुंचेंगे। फिलहाल के लिए जो खबर है वो हम माननीय न्यायपालिका के आदेश का सम्मान करते हैं। न्यायपालिका ने आदेश दिया है कि फिलहाल इस पिक्चर के रिलीज पे स्टे लगाया जाए, तो हम पूरा ऑर्डर पढ़ने के बाद लीगल टीम हम बैठेंगे और डिसाइड करेंगे कि इस ऑर्डर को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज करना है या जैसा कि माननीय अदालत की बातों से समझ आया है कि इस पर्टिकुलर सर्टिफिकेट को सेंट्रल बोर्ड के आगे चैलेंज करना होगा, पिटिशनर चैलेंज करेगा, तो वहां हम अपना अप्रोप्रिएट रिप्लाई देंगे जैसा कि माननीय हाई कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शन दिया है।
ने आप कहा है कि आप जाइए और वहां पर इंटरिम रिलीफ की मांग कीजिए, तब तक के लिए स्टे लगा दिया।
We will see. Let us file what we are permitted to.
It is a absolute relief or a conditional relief, sir?
No. It's something that we have to do. Something that the court has asked us. We will do that, and then we'll see what happens.